Hey loves, good morning and happy Friday. So today I have woken up unusually early for a Friday morning because I have some plans with my mother today. I'm taking her out for a movie. I woke up early, took a shower, washed my hair, dried it, and now I want to curl it a bit because this is my natural hair. I haven't done anything to it, and I feel much put together when my hair is done. So, and I really like curly hair. So the first thing that I do is brush it and then put some sort of heat protectant. Today I'm using this Betty's one. It is very important to save your hair from all the heat that you're putting on top of it. As I do not have much time in hand, so I'm gonna just do it roughly. So I am seriously running out of time now, so I have to really hurry up. So I've already done my morning skincare routine after I've taken my shower. So if you have not watched that tutorial, I already have it on my YouTube. I'm gonna pop up a card on the screen right here. Now it's time for makeup. So first thing I'm using is this by Terry product. Oh, I love this product. Just see how it makes my skin look like fresh and youthful, and oh, I love it. And it smells heavenly. So for my foundation today, I will be mixing these two. Concealer, I am using this Maybelline. And on top of that, I will be using this, what do you call this? TOUCHE ÉCLAT by USL. No, больше не место. No, I really like doing my makeup in natural lighting because that way you can see how exactly your skin is looking, you know, because artificial lighting sometimes tend to be very harsh and overwhelming, I might say. So now on to setting my face. I'm using my favorite Hourglass powder. For the rest of my face, I will be using another by Terry product, which I really like, which is this. The Cellular Rose CC powder. Oh, I love this powder. It is a gorgeous powder. Now I have to rush. Bronzer, Guerlain Terracotta bronzer. Using this Amrezy highlight. While at it, let's add it in the inner corners. For blush, I am doing something different. So I will be mixing in a drop of this SUQQU pink blush and a slight drop of this. So that will give me a very beautiful reddish blushy flush on my cheeks. And I will be using this with my finger. Just slightly tap it. See how beautifully flashed the cheeks look. Whatever is left on my fingers, I'm just roughly putting it on my eyelid. So your fingers are your best friend when you're in a hurry, because you don't have to use any brushes. They work really beautifully. Now I will be curling my lashes and apply my favorite mascara combo. I always curl my lashes. It just opens your eyes beautifully. If you have never tried it, try it. Unless your lashes are naturally curly, but mine aren't. So I need to curl them. Okay guys, so I have changed and now all it's left to be done is lips. So for my lips, first I am lining it as usual. This is the MAC Soar lip pencil. And I roughly fill it in as well with it. And then for my lipstick today, I'm using this. This is a beautiful shade of red. It's not too overwhelming, but you can easily wear it during the day. I don't know if the camera is translating the shade beautifully, but it is beautiful. Now I will just fix the outline of my lips with this Half Red by MAC, but I need to sharpen it a little bit. Cool. That's it. And I have to seal everything in place, of course. Now I'll quickly put in my jewelries. I really like these hoops. These are from Missoma. I really like Missoma jewelries. They are so right up my alley. Do you guys see my hair clip? Aren't these cute? I find it really cute. I really like this. See, these really matches. Now, no, I don't think I want to wear anything. And I really like the way my curls have turned out today. So this is how my skin looks like in daylight. See, it is absolutely glowy. Gorgeous. I really like this. So now I will try to take you guys with me through the rest of my day, because I am really shy, you know, to vlog or film in front of other people or in public places. But yeah, I should try. Everything has a first time, isn't it? I am loving this lipstick, guys. I am in love. Alright, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh, so now it is around 6:30 in the evening. As usual, I was so shy to vlog around when I was roaming around with my mother. So I was like, no, I'm not really too comfortable. So we even reached late to the movies. We were literally running to the theater. And yeah, so after we finished the movie, I did some groceries. I had to buy something else as well, and yeah, that's it. I just got home and I am exhausted right now, and the day is not over yet. I have a lot more things to finish before I go to bed tonight. However, do you guys see the skin and the finish? Like, I was wearing my glasses, so don't mind foundation smudge in here, but other than that, oh my god, this is intact. And the shade of lipstick I am obsessed with. Oh yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this Friday with me and you also had an amazing one. Until next time, stay blessed and beautiful.